how to create the foundation of your autopilot sales of the online course without sharing your money with marketing agencies. Hi, my name is Anna Zakkery. Since 2018, I've been helping online coaches and online schools to scale their revenues and go from 10K launches to 100K launches and even higher with the help of Autopilot sales system. For that, we use Evergreen webinars and other types of sales funnels. The benefit of those is that it helps you to generate sales even if you are on vacation and far away from your desk. In this video, I'm going to explain how any online coach, online educator can build the foundation for Autopilot sales. We're going to build the landing page for the VSL funnel, which allows you to generate the sales on Autopilot. Even if you have zero tech experience, you've never built it before. This is absolutely beginner-friendly level. I'm not a tech person, and I will show you how even I can do that on a Go High Level platform. This is the easiest platform which I've ever used, and I truly recommend you to get to know it better. Let me know in the comments, have you ever built a landing page with your own hands? Maybe you built like a contact form or something like that. If yes, what platforms you used? Let me know in the comments. If you've never did it before, just drop no. For you guys, it's gonna be the first time ever, so I recommend you to follow the instructions I provide in this video. You can open the laptop and repeat after me. First thing we're gonna do, let me show you the structure of the funnel we're gonna build. Let's say you have your mentorship program, which you tried to sell by attracting the attention in social media, posting different types of content, going live, and do all that popular type of things, which is, for me, is just vicious circle, like a hamster wheel, which only exhausts you. I support solely this system, which allows you to generate the sales on Autopilot. So you have the mentorship program. In order to attract more attention to that and explain what's inside, we need to create a perfect converter. It can be Evergreen webinar, or like today we're gonna build a VSL page, which is a video training, which very similar to Evergreen, except the thing that it just starts automatically once the visitor lands on the page with a video, comparing to the webinar, which usually starts at the specific scheduled time. And the other thing which is different is chat. At the funnel which we're going to build today, there is no live chat, and people cannot type in their comments. Comparing to Evergreen webinar, they can communicate while they listen to your presentation. These are the main differences. All the rest is the same. So I recommend this type of funnel if your product is not more than, I would say, 1,500. This is the maximum amount which you can sell with this type of a funnel. For that purpose, we need to build a contact form page which will collect the contacts of the visitors, because we don't want to lose them. Once the visitor comes to the page, in order to proceed and watch the free training, they need to leave their contacts. In exchange for that, we will grant the access to the free video where you will speak on the problem that your audience has and the solution which you offer in order to resolve the problem. At the page number 2, they will see your video training, and at the bottom of that landing page, there will be the presentation of the mentorship program or whatever you want to offer. After that, if they decide to opt in, there will be a checkout page, and after that, the thank you page. For this video, I have prepared the prompts which you can customize to your product and use in ChatGPT. Let me show you how. In order to create all that system, we need to know well what our audience needs and pains. For that, let's say you have a zero background in marketing and you have no idea how to analyze the audience. It's not a problem. I have prepared a prompt for you which you can copy and paste to ChatGPT, just like this. Customize these places with the square brackets and add the information about your niche, your product, It's super easy. It requires a minimum customization. After that, you just run it and you work in this thread. So you do not go anywhere to new chat, whatever. You all the time work in this thread. After that, you need to run the other prompt, which will help you to analyze the market. For that purpose, you go back to my doc file and again, copy the prompt and paste it in the same thread in a ChatGPT. Pay attention, I'm using ChatGPT 5 thinking model. I believe you need to use the paid option of ChatGPT because this is how you can get the most precise information and deeper research of your topic. Back in 2019, we had to do this for weeks. We had to wait for 2-3 weeks in order to get the same level of depth of the research. Now you can get it just in seconds. That's why I believe that this is a perfect time to start launching your online course. After that, you can go to the next step. So I already copied the prompt, which allows you to research the competitors. You again run it in ChatGPT. You will learn the types of the funnels your competitors use, the prices and their weak points and their strengths. And that will allow you to position yourself better and stand out on the market. After that, we will create the topic for your video training, the free training we're gonna share in this type of the funnel we've just created. I don't know, I feel so surprised and impressed by the power of AI tools which we now have. This is so easy. I still do not know why people do not switch fully to online. I'm the biggest ambassador of this system. So this is what we have now. The next step, we need to find out the topic for our free training, which we're gonna record and then promote. Here's what I do. I've copied the prompt number 3 from this doc file. I've shared the link to that file in the description box. It's free, just grab it and you're free to use it. After that, you copy the last prompt and run it in ChatGPT, and that will allow you to create the perfect copyright for your landing page. Easy, just like 1, 2, 3. So now you do not even need to make it yourself, spend hours of time. How many minutes I spend on it? I don't know, maybe that's like 4 minutes of a total time. Now, every time you say you do not have enough time to think about the strategy or to think how you can shift from one-on-one sessions to selling one-to-many, this is absolutely a lie. 4 minutes of your time, guys, and you are one step behind constructing your Evergreen sales system. After that, all what we need to do, we go to Go High Level. Let me know in the comments, have you ever heard of this platform? I want to warn you, they did not pay me for demonstrating this platform. This is absolutely my personal opinion. I support this platform. I believe this is one of the best technical solutions and the cheapest one. It allows you to store the data of the contacts, to build the websites, to create the email flows, like everything, 100% of all actions you might ever need in order to create and sell and provide your online course. It even has the place where you can upload the lessons and the students can literally study on Go High Level. That gives you a one-window solution to marketing needs and educational needs as well. You can work forever on design and make it look fancier, but in my marketing experience, it's not such a big difference how your page looks like. If you have found the right pain points which you have put on the page, the design doesn't matter that much. Even sometimes we notice that if you have a very ugly design of the page, it can attract more attention than the pages that have a fancy design. It just catches the eye and people start to think, oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like that. Why there are like 0 pictures, 0 design? what is hiding behind that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave you the link to the snapshot, aka the template, which will give you the access to this page. You will just click on it, and if you are registered at Go High Level, you will be able to upload it to your Go High Level profile and just use it. Simple customization, and in 30 minutes you will have the whole system. This is how simple it can be. I know that maybe if that was your first time hearing about Go High Level platform, that might seem a little bit difficult even to remember the name of the platform, but give it a chance. Try it out. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below this video, and if you have any questions, you know that you can ask them anytime. That's it for today, and I hope to see you at the next video. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.